what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Leila and today I have a makeup tutorial. This is my first video of 2023. So exciting, always so exciting when I start the year with a video and end the year with a video. I'm like, oh my god, what should I film for the very first time this year? So I decided to go with my intuition. I felt like filming a video about makeup. I just felt like it because I'm currently into makeup again. So I was like, let's try to recreate the trending TikTok makeup cult. If you guys have not seen it on TikTok, then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna explain everything. And I just wanted to play around with my makeup, show you guys my current makeup products that I absolutely love and adore. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Let's see how I created this makeup look. And if you wanna know what products I used, I'll link them all in the description box so you can go ahead and purchase them. So I hope you had a wonderful New Year's Eve, and let's begin 2023 together. Okay guys, let's begin my cult makeup. First we start with primer, and I'm using Rare Beauty primer. This one is actually for oily skin because she has two types, and this one works amazing for oily skin. And I do have oily skin. Actually, it's less oily since I started paying attention to my skincare and using all the products that work for oily queens. So my face is less oily, but of course, after a long time of wearing makeup, it still gets oily. So I realized that without a primer, well, it's been a while since I realized that, because it sounds like I just yesterday decided that, you know, primer is important if you have oily skin. No matter your skin type, primer is an important step. So this one I can honestly recommend to every oily queen out there. Just amazing. I love it. Next is my CC cream from It Cosmetics. This was my very first time buying from It Cosmetics. I heard a lot about them. I mean, about their CC creams. I honestly don't even know if they have anything else, but like their CC creams are everywhere and like people talk about them. So I saw actually on TikTok girls recommending this one because it's like CC plus illumination. So I love me some illuminating CC cream. I honestly fell in love, and I think it more so works for summer because it also has SPF, but let's be honest, we need to use SPF all the time, and I do. I use SPF 50 besides my makeup. Like, even if my makeup has SPF under it, I always have actual SPF. So but I think having additional SPF in your foundation or CC cream or anything else like that is super important, and that's why I really can recommend this CC cream, and it's so affordable. So next step, I use my Fenty Beauty Match Stick. This one is in the shade Mocha 3. So I'm just gonna apply it straight to my face, and of course nose contour. I thought that when I'll get a nose job, I'll stop doing contouring of my nose, but it's just, at this point, it's just a ritual and I cannot stop. So we just blend this. By the way, all the brushes that I use are Real Technique. I absolutely love their brushes. Again, so affordable and so worth every coin you spend. I never used any other brushes that were this sturdy. Just the best, honestly. Just love them. I don't know what to tell you. And of course you can skip this step if you don't want to contour your face and you just want to directly go into the blush part, but I just really like to contour my face because I just feel like it lasts longer that way, my makeup, and it just looks much better. Next, I use my favorite concealer. This one is Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Nude. I had this one for a year and I don't think I'm even close to finishing it, which I love. I just really apply this little because it's just it's so strong, it's so full coverage. And you guys know I moved into this like natural makeup phase, so I love me natural makeup, but it's nice to have concealer that's there for me to make sure that my under eye circles don't show. And I realized that this is why I don't need to use foundation. I just need to have good concealer that can help me fix some imperfections, because I want my skin still to look like my skin, you know, and that's why I stopped using foundation. But some parts you just need a good full coverage concealer, and I think Too Faced is the best I've used ever, really. Next step is my eyebrows. I'm gonna use my NYX the brow glue. You guys probably know I've been a fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills for a year, and I just decided to try something else, especially because I started getting my eyebrows laminated recently. So whenever my eyebrow lamination stops working, basically, I just need a little bit of help because they still look quite laminated, you know what I mean? But I think I might still go back to Anastasia Beverly Hills because that one is just that strong and good, and this one really leaves these like ugly stains, so you need to fix it. And I feel like Anastasia Beverly Hills is much less messy, so but it's also much more expensive than NYX brow glue, so you know, you kind of cannot expect the same quality from cheap product, right? But nonetheless good, and here I am using it, so why am I talking shit about it? I don't know. Next step is my eyes. I'm gonna use my super old and the only kind of palette that I actually have, Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, because I wanna use my pink shades, and I have quite a few pink shades in this one. So let me go ahead, and I don't want to use too much, but I just want to do my take on this cult makeup look. So I'll just use, okay, I'll start first with Demure. It's like dusty pink, and I'll just apply it all over my lid as a base, like so. Okay, yeah, okay, this can work. And then I'll of course blend. Okay, and now we'll add some glitter to it so I don't look completely pink everywhere. I'm more like glittery queen, you know? So I'm using pink diamond and adding it on top of Demure. I love how Huda Beauty's eyeshadows always look so like wet, you know? It's like glitter looks as if it was sprayed on me. You know what I mean? Just so good. Love this. And now I'll just blend again. Okay, I think this is good. So now we can move to setting powder. My favorite one is Laura Mercier. I've been using it for like 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. Can highly recommend it. So I just dip my Real Technique brush into the powder and press it on my face. this happens. So with this part being done, I know you guys are probably thinking, so when are we gonna see the cold makeup look, girl? Just about now. So I'm gonna use my iconic London blush. This one is in the shade Rose Riot, and it's so good. It's just so good, and it's actually also very affordable. And I tried it for the first time because I saw it being used on Instagram by some British makeup artists, and it always looked so good, so I decided to give it a try. So this one is quite difficult to apply because sometimes it just put too much, because when I press, the thing is it just like goes crazy, and I apply it directly to my face. So you see what I mean? So the only problem that I have with this is that it needs an applicator, because this is messy, you guys. So I just first apply it on my face, and honestly this is going to be enough. You will see the magic. Wait, where's my brush? Okay, here's my brush. Real Technique Soft Accent it's called. I love using it for my blush. So I like to smile so I can see my cheeks better. But with this makeup look, you honestly need as much as possible all over your cheeks, because it's kind of like I'm cold look, you know? You can already see how like my cheeks look so much younger, you know what I mean? Like I look so young because my cheeks are popping. And now I'm gonna just apply it on my nose. I like to use it only on the bridge of my nose, so that's how I do it. And like I don't really touch the tip of my nose because I like to just add highlighter. So I just, whenever I want to do like I'm cold makeup look, I just make sure to kind of overdo it, so to say, because otherwise I don't use as much. But then if it's I'm cold makeup, you know, you kind of need to go overboard with it. And why I like to use it after my setting powder is because I honestly like the glow that it gives, and setting powder kind of takes it away, and I just don't want to, you know, I don't want to take it away. And now to finish off this look, I'm going to use my highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. So I like to apply it on my cheeks, of course, to get that glow, like, you know, the glow. I'm here for it. Ow. This is so beautiful, like I love it. And of course on the tip of my nose and a bit here. I don't know why, I just saw girls doing it and I started doing it. So TikTok has power over me, as you can tell. So now let's blend my nose. I'll take my sponge to blend the highlighter also. You don't have to use highlighter because I don't think it's like part of cold girl makeup, but I just cannot live without my highlighter. Ever since I discovered that highlighters exist, I use them all the time, really. I'm gonna add a bit of my highlighter on the corner of my eyes to get that, you know, glossy makeup look. And here on the top of my lip. Gotta help with your fingers. So this is like very pink, but this is the look, so we'll just accept it. Next and almost last step is my mascara. I use my NYX On The Rise mascara. And last step, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Heat in the shade Fenty Glow. So that's my makeup tutorial for the cold makeup look that's been trending on TikTok. I wanted to show you guys how I do it. Of course, you don't have to, you know, make your eyes pop as much because it's more like a natural makeup, but I really wanted to add some color to it because I'm getting bored of the natural makeup look, although I do it every single day in my real life. But I feel like on YouTube sometimes you want to play with makeup, so I did just that. So let me know what you guys think about this makeup look. Have you tried it? Do you want to try any of the products I used in my video? If yes, I'll leave the links in the description box. You can go ahead and purchase them and try them out and let me know how it works for you. That's it for me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell to get notified about my new videos, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye!